Go to Window, then Rendering, then Occlusion Culling. Once Occlusion Culling panel appears, stack it wherever you want. Select Object, then Occlusion Areas, then create Occlusion Area. Now increase the area manually by dragging the gizmo. Other way to increase the size by going to Inspector and changing the value in X, Y, and Z direction. Now make sure that all the mesh is inside the box or not. Now if everything looks good, then you are good to go. Make the static flags true of all the mesh. Now open the occlusion panel and bake. How to check that your meshes are getting baked. While being on Occlusion panel, you can see the blue lines indicating the area is baked. Now that baking is finished, you can visualize the mechanism of occlusion culling. Pick any camera, find the occlusion culling flag in Camera's Inspector, then turn it to true. Now by moving the camera, you can see the mesh which is inside the camera's range will be visible and other mesh will be not visible.